This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Gemini 23TR is a Class C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a citrus splash, cool jazz interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Gemini 23TR is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.